Tip number 3. A product you or others wished was existent. This one is pretty fun. Don't you remember when you were a little kid or even recently imagining something kinda too perfect to exist and wishing it actually existed? Well, it's time to make these dreams come true. Or simply ask others if you don't have any, what product or service did you wish was existing? And go from that. Do your market research and adjust your idea till you get ready for the market. I mean, sources of inspiration are infinite. Sometimes just taking a look at your items and analyzing them can help you solve a problem you never knew existed. So yeah, that's it. We have come to the end of this course. I hope that you enjoyed it and you found it really helpful and valuable. I personally had a lot of fun making it. And you know what? In entrepreneurship, even if the road can be messy a lot of times, but I find it really fun. It just makes me like a little girl again, and I find this really rewarding, both on a personal and a professional level. So never ever be afraid of dreaming, and never ever give up on your dream to be a successful entrepreneur who enjoys a lot of freedom and flexibility in his or her life. On that note, we will end this lecture, but don't go anywhere. I still have got a final thing for you in the next section, so please join me in.